Good day! In this video, we are going to prove that 1 plus 2 equals to 5. Of course, this is not true. This is a mathematical fallacy. So we are breaking all the rules of mathematics to show the proof that 1 plus 2 equals to 5. So as we go along each step, I would like you to tell me on which line is there a mistake or the assumption made that is wrong, and please leave it in the comment section. So we are going to start the proof of 1 plus 2 equal to 5 by stating that minus 15 is equal to minus 15. So there's no problem. You can state that minus 15 equal to minus 15. So the next step what we're going to do is that we are going to rewrite the minus 15 into two different forms. On the left hand side, I'm going to put minus 15 equals to 9 minus 24. Okay, so you put your calculator, 9 minus 24 is equal to minus 15. And on the right hand side, I'm going to do a simpler version, which is going to be 25 minus 40. Okay, so no issue with that, because 9 minus 24 is minus 15, so is 25 minus 40. Okay, so next step, what we're going to do is that I am going to add 16 to both sides of the equation. I'm going to add 16 to both sides of the equation. So the equation on the left hand side is going to look like this: 9 minus 24, and now we're going to add plus 16 here. And on the right hand side is going to be 25 minus 40, and we are also going to add 16 to that part of the equation. Okay, now what we're going to do is that we are going to simplify that equation into two different parts. Okay, so this is the same as 9 is going to be the same as 3 squared, and 16 is going to be 4 squared. Okay, and in between 24 we can say it's going to be minus 2 times 3 times 4. Okay, this is based on this equation. I'm going to write the equation below here. If you do not know, we're going to write this equation. It's going to be x minus y squared equals to x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. So we are going to do the same on the other side, the right hand side. So 5 squared is the same, 25 is the same as 5 squared, and 16 is the same as 4 squared. The 40 is going to be 2, okay, times 5 times 4. Okay, so you multiply 2 times 5 is 10, 10 times 4 is going to be 40, negative 40. So now we have that equation now. So we are going to put the blue equation into the black equation. So on the left hand side, it's going to be straightforward. Okay, on the left hand side, what happens is that your x equals to 3 and your y equal to 4, because x minus y squared is x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. So your x is going to be 3, bracket 3, and then your y is going to be 4. And then, of course, we must have the square there. And on the right-hand side, your x is 5, so it's going to be 5. And your y is going to be 4. So that equation has now become that equation. 3 minus 4 squared equals to 5 minus 4 squared. Okay, now it's getting interesting. So what happens is that because the squared are the same, okay, so we can cancel the squared. So it becomes, can cancel the squared, so it becomes 3 minus 4 on the left hand side equals to 5 minus 4 on the right hand side. Okay, so now we are going to solve this. Okay, if we add 4 on both sides of the equation, 3 minus 4 plus 4, you are left with 3. And on the right hand side, 5 minus 4 plus 4 is going to be 5. So now, because 3 is the same as 1 plus 2. So 3 is the same as 1 plus 2. And we have proved that 1 plus 2 equals to 5. So as I said again, this is the false proof, a wrong proof. And I made a wrong assumption along the way. And if you can tell me where, in which line that I made a wrong assumption, please write in the comment section. And I'll see you in the next proof. Cheers everyone, and have a good day.